You can't scale a circular economy with design alone. You need policy, because laws shape markets, incentives shape behavior, and alignment shapes momentum. Let's explore how policy, law, and global coordination drive circular transformation. 1. Why policy matters. Circular solutions often struggle in linear systems. It's cheaper to dump than to design, faster to extract than to reuse, easier to sell wasteful products than durable ones. That's where policy steps in to level the playing field. 2 key policy levers. Governments can accelerate circularity through extended producer responsibility, EPR, making producers responsible for take-back, recycling, or safe disposal. Eco-design standards, requiring products to be repairable, durable, and recyclable. Material bans, phasing out harmful or non-recyclable substances. Public procurement, favoring circular products in government contracts. Tax shifts, lower taxes on labor, higher on resource extraction or pollution. Waste targets, setting national goals for landfill reduction, reuse, or recycling. These aren't just rules, they're market signals. 3. Regional leadership. Some regions are leading the way. European Union, the Circular Economy Action Plan, right to repair legislation, mandatory eco-design rules, digital product passports on the horizon. China, National Circular Economy Law, circular industrial parks, circularity in the 14th Five-Year Plan. Canada, Chile, Finland, the Netherlands, Rwanda, each with national circular strategies in place. They're not just greening waste, they're rewiring systems. 4. Global frameworks. Circularity is going global. The UN Global Plastics Treaty could set binding rules on plastic waste. The ISO 59000 series provides international circular economy standards. The Global Circularity Gap Report tracks progress worldwide. The Ellen MacArthur Foundation, PACE, and the Circular Economy Coalition are pushing cross-sector alignment. Policy isn't just local, it's collective. 5. Legal innovations. Lawyers and legislators are getting creative. Right to repair is spreading worldwide. Some places are defining waste as illegal resource leakage. Circular procurement contracts tie payment to material performance. Corporate due diligence laws require companies to know and disclose supply chain impacts. Law is becoming a circular design tool. 6. The role of business. Businesses can shape policy too by advocating for higher standards, joining voluntary agreements, sharing data and best practices, partnering on pilot regulations. Proactive companies help build the rules of the future. What's next? To scale circularity, we need coherence across sectors, incentives for long-term design, laws that reward looping, not landfilling, global cooperation, local action, because policy sets the conditions, law creates the structure, and alignment brings the scale. Circular design starts in the studio. Circular systems start in the law. This is how we turn ambition into action, across borders, industries, and time.